Parkavi, do you know what the stock market is and how it works?
Tamilini Sissy, the stock market is a type of marketplace where we can buy and sell shares of companies. This is called stock trading.
How does that work? Can anyone buy shares?
Yes, Tamilini Sissy. We can buy shares similarly. A share represents a small ownership in a company. As the company grows, the share's value can increase, allowing us to sell it for a profit.
So, if the shares go up, we make a profit, right?
Yes, exactly. But in the stock market, prices sometimes fall. Then, there could be a loss for sure. That's why investing in the stock market carries high risks.
It's not a small matter, is it? Can shares be bought from anywhere?
Nowadays, it is very easy. We can buy and sell shares online. You can find information about shares, when to buy, and when to sell.
Got it, Parkavi. I feel like we should also invest in this. We should select good shares.
Exactly, Tamilini Sissy. But before investing, one should have the right information and understand the market conditions.
Thanks, Parkavi. Based on what you said, I'm interested and will research more about the stock market.
Subscribe to Parkavi Finance for more videos like this. Stay tuned for more content in the coming days. Thank you, sister.